Bunkering system. A typical bunkering system on any ship consists of manifold connection on deck, manifold valves, sampling units for taking samples, temperature and pressure gauges, pipelines, line valves, storage tanks, settling and service tanks, and transfer pumps. Before bunkering only, those valves must be opened for the tanks which are bunkered. All other valves must be shut. For example, if we are bunkering in one port and one starboard, the following valves must be open: manifold valve, master valve, one port and other starboard valve. All other valves must be shut. See the simple animation to view the flow of fuel oil in both tanks. Remember, check soundings of other tanks and confirm there is no rise in levels. This is to make sure that there is no leaking valves or valves that are kept accidentally open.